passed by, my hands moved. I tied my hair for no reason. You said, see you. I said, cool, that's all. But not really. I didn't, but I wanted to. I didn't, but I stayed. I didn't. Do you know? Didn't you? New shoe, same hallway. You left, I looked away. You looked, I looked back, but only when you didn't. If I spoke first.